Hello everyone, today we will show how to make ice mousse.
First, I will explain the ingredients we use to make ice mousse. First, we need 1 sachet of milk pudding, then 500 ml water, 1 ice cube, 3 full cream milk, and the last one is sweetened condensed milk to taste. Then let's make ice mousse. First, put the milk pudding in a saucepan, then add 500 ml of water. Then, stir the milk pudding with water until well blended. Cook and stir until it boils. Then turn off the stove and move the pan containing the milk pudding to the floor containing the base. Then add 1 ice cube into the milk pudding and stir until it becomes like mousse. Then mix 3 full cream milk. Next, pour sweetened condensed milk to taste and stir until evenly. And the ice mousse is ready to be enjoyed.